What's up guys? Today's video we're doing a workout guide for beginners. So make sure to stick out with us, do it the whole way through. It's gonna be only 15-second workouts instead of the usual 30-second workouts I do. So it'll be much shorter. We're gonna do more workouts and less time. So bring your protein shake, bring your pre-workout, let's get right into it. "15-second jumping jacks. Take a break. "15-second push-ups. Take a break. "15-second squats. Take a break. "15-second lunge. Take a break. "15-second plank. Take a break. "15-second arm circles. Take a break. "15-second leg raises. Take a break. "15-second mountain climbers. Take a break. "15-second side plank right. Take a break. 15-second side plank left. Take a break. Workout complete. There you go, guys. If this workout was useful to you, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, share with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.